In this video, we are going to show you how to create a mind map in Poppy AI. Now, it might sound difficult or complicated. It's really not. It's very simple. Open a board, and here you want to click on this part. It says mind map. So click this. It's going to give you this pop-up. It says main topic. So you need to have a main topic and subtopic. So for this example, let's say flat horse racing. And then it's going to start branching out. So let's say turf, dirt, two main runways, and then you have America, Europe, Japan, as your main regions. And then your initial mind map is pretty much okay. This is pretty much how you make it. And then click X. And then here, if you want to expand on this, you can add a chatbot and connect it here. And just, like the mind map option is here. Please expand on the initial mind map that is connected. There you go. And it's going to expand on our 5 facets or 5 subtopics here. So there we go. It's going to say here, it looks like the mind map creation tool isn't currently available, right? It depends on the plan, right? Connected mind map based on your connected mind map. Here's a full expanded version. You can use once the tool is back, right? So it's going to expand on stuff, right? There you go. And yeah, there we go. It's expanded on all the elements. And you can actually ask it to expand even more. So once the mind map tool is available again, I can generate this as a visual mind map, right? So after that, you will be good to go. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.